Today I'm going to teach you how to make a DIY pop tube. Just like this one. So first, you're going to need straws. Make sure but you have to make sure the straws have the bendy part. Pick any color straw you want. I'm going to use my favorite color, pink. Next, you're going to need scissors. Now give me a second, folks. Okay, I got my scissors. And now, second of all, you want to cut yours, but make sure there's enough space for your fingers to hold. So, make sure you cut something like this. And there's our DIY pop tube. Let's test it out. Here we go. Pops just like a pop tube. Now let's scroll it back in. Let's see. You can use it again. Yep, and it scrolls back up. So there you have it, folks. DIY pop tube. See you on my next video. Bye.